Okay guys, just to open your settings application. Okay, the camera settings in the settings application, not in camera app. So select camera from the left side, you can see here. Okay, select camera and then select formats. Okay, and you can select most compatible. By selecting most compatible, that means you can use your video files in other devices like Windows PC, for any other device for editing. Okay, it is the most common way to fix the problem. Your video files not working on your PC for editing. It is the best method. You must change it. It is not only the iPad. You can also use this method for changing in Samsung mobiles. Like okay, all the new mobile phones are supporting these two type of recording formats, like high efficiency. Second one is most compatible. So if you are a video or content creator, you just use the second option, most compatible. Otherwise, you are a normal user, you can use this most high efficiency mode. That means the file size is lower and also it is more quality one. And also you can share your video files like social medias like WhatsApp or YouTube or Instagram or anywhere with this most efficiency way. But you are a content creator, it is better to choose most compatible to record videos. So that's guys, very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replace last video so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.